Hey everyone, I wanted to real quick address a good question that's come up about the timing of the fall pre-emergent applications. To give you some background on the question, we do our fall pre-emergent applications starting in September, and we'll go all the way through the end of October. Well, there's a very well-known, well-respected expert in the green industry, gardening and lawn care and whatnot. His name's Neil Sperry. You've probably heard of him. And he posts an article or a Facebook post every year. I think he posts it every year, saying that there's a 3-week window from the middle of August through the first week of September, and that's when you have to apply your pre-emergent, or else it won't work right. So the question obviously that we get is, who's right here? You're saying one thing, he's saying something else. Y'all it seems like y'all disagree on this, and the answer is no, we don't. We don't disagree on it. We're actually both right. We're just talking about different things. We use different products than what he's referring to. He's referring to homeowner grade products that people that do it themselves are going to go buy off the shelf, and we use professional grade products, and they're very, very different. There's two ways that they differ, two primary ways that they differ. Number one, our products, the professional grade products that we use, actually will act like a post-emergent in the early stage of the weed growth. So the products that Neil talks about in his article have to be applied before the weed germinates, or the seed germinates, for it to be effective. That's why we have to apply it early. We have about a 2-month grace period. Those weeds can germinate, particularly the Poana and the Rescue, which he refers to. Those can germinate, and we have about a 2-month grace period where we can apply our pre-emergent, and it will still kill those weeds. So that's the first way it differs. The second way that it differs is the residual. The homeowner grade products are going to give you about a 90-day residual. Well, the stuff that we use, and most professionals use, is going to be anywhere from 6 to 9 months. And we're going to do 2 applications. We're going to do an application in the fall, and another one in the spring, which means that you're going to have coverage throughout the year. You're not going to have any gaps. There's going to be overlap between the applications, and you're not going to give these seeds any chance to germinate. So that's why that buys us some time. We have more time. We have an extended time frame that we can apply these pre-emergents, and they're still going to be very, very effective, as opposed to the stuff that a homeowner is going to buy off the shelf. And that's what Neil is referring to in his article. So hope that helps clarify some things. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.